You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 42 over 43. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 21 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2 over 43. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 42 over 43.